I'm just kidding. This is Black Ops 2, hardened edition by Treyarch. Here's the box. It comes inside of it. When you open it, just pull one side out, and there you go. Black Ops 2, and future is black, and it comes with those coins. I don't know if you can see them. You can see that one pretty good. This, so either this one or this one that has the code. There's a code on it. And you get the soundtrack, I think it was. Yeah. And case. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Yep. And I have the game inside my PS3 already, so you guys gonna be like, oh, it's not in there. It's my PS3. Calm down. I didn't even really open this all the way up to see if there's anything in here or not. Well, it did come with this inside of it. And I can't show the code though. I don't know if you can see that. It says bonus Nuketown Zombies co-op maps, bonus Nuketown 2025 multiplayer map, exclusive PlayStation 3 system zombie themes, and more themes. Yep. And that's it.